Hey guys, it's Genevieve from the JJ Twins, and today I just wanted to do a little video just talking about some things that I'm selling on my new Instagram account. I made a separate Instagram account for some things that I'm selling right now. So I am making coasters out of resin. I'm making really cute coasters, different colors. Some are transparent, some are not. I might in the future make resin like keychains with letters, but that's for the future maybe. Right now I'm just trying to focus on making coasters, and I am making like these wine things. They're kind of like wine racks, but I'll show you guys what those look like right now. I already sold some things, but I'll show you what I have right now. And if you want to see what I'm selling, or if you want to buy anything that I made or can make, because I can do custom items. I can make some custom items, whatever colors you guys want, as long as I have the colors in stock with me. But yeah, I'll show you what they look like in a little bit. So if you want to check out my new Instagram account, it's Gems by Jen. I'll put it right here. So go ahead and check out my Instagram account for a lot of cute coasters and stuff. I'm also going to make more things in the future, but go ahead and check it out. Really cute coasters. They're all different prices, so go ahead and check it out right there. So I'll show you what they look like right now. Okay guys, so I'm back and it is a lot later now, and I just wanted to show you guys some of the coasters and stuff that I made. But before I do that, I just wanted to say, just a second ago before I turned on the camera, I was watching Alicia Marie on YouTube. It was just really funny because she was at the beach and she was on like a little boogie board thing with her arm like strapped to it, and like a big wave came and like hit her, and it was just really funny because she was not like expecting it to be that strong. And so that was just really funny. I could not stop laughing because it like really like hit her hard. She notices that her bikini top was like stuck to the strap, so it came off, and it was just so funny. And as that was happening, another big wave was coming, and then she got the baby board and like turned around towards the wave and like trying to like brace herself, I guess. But then it hit her really hard, and then she fell and her glasses knocked off, and it was just so funny. But yeah, I just watched an episode of Alicia Marie, and it was just really funny, her at the beach with all that stuff happening. So I thought I'd tell you guys. I'm sure a lot of you guys know who she is. But anyways, so I'm just gonna show you some of the coasters and stuff. So this is how like I'm packaging my coasters. One of my friends ordered 2 green and gold ones, and she wanted these this shape. So I make different shapes. I have different mold shapes and stuff, and I can do different colors. So this is how I package it in a cute little baggie. And then I'll show you what it looks like right now, but I wanted to show you that. I put it in this baggie, and then I put a little like card with my Instagram. It's upside down right now, but I'm gonna try to update these eventually. But it says follow my Instagram at Gems by Jen. And also on the back, I like to put like 4 little like backings for the coaster, the rubber backings, 4 for each coaster, so there's 8 in there. just in case they want to put it. The coasters work good without the little backing, rubber backing, but you can also use it if you want it, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so this is how I package it. I just want to show you guys. And let me open it so you can see what it looks like. So that's my card. And then I put thank you on the back. This is what the green ones that I made for my friend. That's what they look like. The lighting's really bad right now, it's dark in here. But with sunlight and brighter lighting, they do look prettier and so much more bright and like vibrant. But either way, that's really pretty. This is the back. But if you want to see like better pictures of them and different ones that I'm not going to show you today, on my Instagram, which I will link in the description below, and I already put it in the beginning of this video. But these are the green ones that she custom ordered, so you can kind of, if you want to order from me, you can order whatever colors you want as long as I have them. And then I also just make cute ones, and if people want to buy them, they can. So that's the green ones. I've already sold a decent amount and stuff, so this is just what I have made right now. Most of these are orders that people like custom ordered or whatever. Some of them I did make just to play around with colors and stuff, but this also goes with the green ones. I made them 2 different days. Originally she just ordered the coasters, but then wanted also a wine rack. I don't feel like getting a bottle right now, but you kind of get the point. You just put the bottle here and the 2 wine glasses, and it like holds it. It's really cute. You can use whatever side you like better. So whatever you prefer, but I think I like the back part better, and it's a lot more smooth, so it shouldn't really matter. But I do like how it came out. Really pretty. I did a darker green, a lighter green, and then gold. Say I make another green and gold one, they don't always obviously come out the same, just because they're not going to be exact. They just come out pretty similar, but not exactly the same. They'll be kind of different sometimes, but that's just how it is when you make things. But yeah, so that's a cute one. So these are going to go together, which is really cute. And the prices and stuff and information on these, all that will be on my Instagram, Gems by Jen. I have 2 more wine holders that I made. Wine holders, wine racks, whatever you want to call them. But this is how this one came out. It's blue and it's like white and blue, or white and teal, kind of bluish teal color. Sparkly, really cute. This one still needs to harden a little bit more because these aren't very strong right now. It takes some time to harden on the edges on these, so it's going to take a little bit longer, but they're almost ready to go to be sold. All the ones right now are pretty much sold except for one of the ones that I have, so that's pretty cute. And then this is the last one that I made of these so far. Really pretty. So it's honestly whatever you prefer. If you want to put this on top so you can see this part, then you can, or you can do this side, and I like this side better. And then I have some other ones that are ready for other orders. These are some really pretty coasters that I made. These ones I sell as a set of 4, and then this one's separate by itself. This one I sell separate. I'm selling separate, but you can also buy it with this, with either 2 of them or 4 of them. But currently this one and 4 of these are already going to somebody. But usually if somebody wants this, mostly I sell it as 2 coasters and then 1 of the wine holders. But if you did want 2 more, I could put them together. It's just gonna be a little bit more. But yeah, these are all really cute. Let me show you a close up. Really pretty. Yeah, these ones are like different shapes and sizes. I should do that one. So that's those ones. And then I put this in there too because it's really cute. And then I did have this in there with a thank you on the back. this is just what I have right now. I haven't made any today. And the other ones that I have made, they already sold. But like I said, you can go on my Instagram and look at the ones I've made, and you can order similar ones. Okay, so here's a white and gold one. It's really pretty, kind of looks like a star. That's really cute. I use like a, what's it called? It's kind of like a pearlescent white color. Really cute. And these ones are different shapes from the other ones I showed you guys. These are bigger, so they are going to be a little bit more expensive. I think they're like $5 more. Yeah, for a set of 4 of these, they're $5 more than the other ones, just because they are a lot bigger and they can fit more. Like drinks, they can fit drinks better on these because they're bigger. But that's what they look like. They're all pretty similar. This one's pretty cute. So that's all the coasters and resin things that I have to show you guys. I just wanted to show you guys and let you guys know what I have been doing and working on lately. But yeah, if you want to check out my Instagram, go ahead. Gems by Jen. I thought I'd make this little video for you guys just so you guys can see like what I've been doing, since I haven't posted in a little while. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.